I often hear about how detrimental our population is. Many have talked about the fact that we have to reduce in size so that the limited resources can go around. I don't agree. Our population is our strength if we know its value. Even if we have limited resources, it doesn't mean resources are limited. We only need to increase our productivity because there is abundance in our land. We are never in shortage of good things. Nature has provided us with all that we need to survive and thrive on this planet. So, reducing our population will not solve the problem. Rather, it will reduce our productivity. Let me share with you some of the benefits of our population and the fact that it's our strength and never our weakness. The benefits of our population. 1. Africa has the highest number of the youngest generation in the world. That means we have huge potential strength that can be converted into so many things that will foster productivity and development. 2. Market value, we have a rising demand for goods, services, and basic amenities. 3. Consumer value, we have a large consumer base. That's an advantage. It means we have an increased number of people who can consume goods and provide a good assessment of products and services. They can also showcase products, brands, and companies. They are vast in ideas and expressions of talent. 4. Production value. A high population gives us the opportunity for increased labor availability. We have more agile people who can work and get involved in production. We can produce more goods and services. 5. More people, more problems, more opportunities, more solutions, more money, more development. 6. More people, more minds, more ideas, more innovation, more productivity, more development. 7. More people, more demand, more production, more supply, more satisfaction. 8. More people, more culture, more traditions, more diversity, more rich society. 9. More people, more differences, more conflicts, more resolutions, more agreements, more development. The cycle never ends. Our population is not a weakness. It is our strength. Let's embrace what we have and together build a prosperous and thriving future. If you enjoy this post, kindly share with someone. Thanks for your support. Will you like to write a book, share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book? Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com. Get my books on Amazon, my Amazon books. If you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony, Ize Music got you. Contact sopiansofgojmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. Stop looking for a job, work is with you. 2. Financial empowerment. 3. The means of money. 4. 7 ways to crystallize your ideas. 5. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.